What's going on, everybody? Brandon here, and welcome to today's Go High Level video. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into setting and onboarding a new client using Go High Level. This guide will take you step by step through the entire process, from creating the client's account to setting up automations that will keep them satisfied and coming back for more. So let's get started. The first step in onboarding a client into Go High Level is setting up their account. I'm currently in my Go High Level agency dashboard, and we're going to start by adding a new sub account. This sub account is where all of the client's data and operations are managed. As you can see here, these are sub accounts. We're going to go here and click Add Sub Account. Now here are snapshots of all the different niches. So whatever client you're working with, go ahead and just pick their niche. But for this example, we're just going to go ahead and hit a blank snapshot. So just hit select and continue. And then it's going to take you here, and you're just going to go ahead and go add account manually. Then you're just going to fill out the client's info right here. So I'm just going to do that right now. All right, I filled out all the necessary information. Now let's hit save. And there we go, the client's account has been created. Okay, now as you can see, the account has been created. The next step is to create a login for our client. This is crucial because it allows them to access their dashboard and start engaging with their leads. To do this, you just click right here to settings and then go to My Staff. And then just click Add Employee. All right, you're just going to fill this out with the client's name and email. Make sure you guys got their email because this is how it's going to be sent to them. The login is going to be sent to their email. You can go ahead and write something on the email. Here are user permissions. These are the permissions if you want to give your client. Like, of course, you want to give them the dashboard, appointments. If you don't want to give them access to the triggers, you just enable it like that. Then there's user roles. Go ahead and add them as a user. Do not add them as an admin. And then down here, there's call and voicemail. You can ignore that for now. User availability and user calendar configurations. We can just ignore all that for now. So once that's done, just click save. And just like that, we created the client's login. All right, the next step is setting up a phone number for the client. GoHighLevel uses Twilio for phone services, so we'll be integrating a number through Twilio. Based on the client's location, let's head over to settings, then click phone numbers, and then go to add number, and then click add phone number, used for SMS and calls. So here you're just going to go ahead and wherever the client is at, just go ahead and use their area code. You're just going to go to filters, search by number, search the first part of the number, and then search by digit. So I'm just going to put 209, for example, and then hit apply. All right, so I got 209 numbers. So what I'm going to do is just click that. It's only $1.15, so hit proceed to buy. Now that we have that phone number, we want to forward this number to the client's main phone line. This means any calls to this Twilio number will be automatically forwarded to their business phone. So what you're going to do is go to Advanced Settings, go to Voice Calls, and make sure this is enabled. Forward calls to business phone number. All you're gonna have to do is just click that and you're good to go. Then you want to go to voicemail and missed call text back. Make sure you enable missed call text back just by clicking this check mark. And this is what this will do is if the customer calls and the client missed it, then it will automatically send them a text message. And that's it. The number is set up and caller being forwarded. And now the next step, we need to send the client their login information and links to the mobile app. GoHighLevel has a mobile app called Lead Connector available for both iOS and Android. You can easily find these apps by searching Lead Connector on Google. I recommend sending an email to the client with their login details and direct link to download the app and the preferred platform. You can say something like, "Hey client, I've created your login for our CRM system. You can access it using the details below. Also, here are the links to download our app. This will help you communicate with leads directly from your mobile device," something like that. And you're all set. Now that the basics are set up, it's time to install a snapshot. Snapshot is essentially a template that includes funnels, automations, and other elements tailored to a specific business type. For this example, we'll install a generic snapshot designed for digital marketing agencies. So we're just going to go to Agency View. Then we're going to click on the business that we're working with and hit Manage Client. Then you go to Actions and hit Load Snapshot. So just go ahead and hit Select the snapshot and just look for the one that you're looking for. I'm going to go with this one and just click Proceed. Now here's all the snapshots that it's going to build out for you. Just go ahead and click Proceed again. And then one more time, just hit Proceed. All right, and then GoHighLevel will do its thing. This usually takes a minute or so to complete. Now that the snapshot is installed, the next step is to connect the client's website forms to GoHighLevel. This is crucial for capturing leads directly from their website. So let's go ahead and go to Sites. Click Form. And then as you can see, there's already a marketing form, claim offer. Go ahead and click that. And here's your lead capturing form. You have a full name, their email, the phone number, and even their website. So you can always change this, add form element if you want. If you need something else, like their address, the city, anything else really, you can always add it. So once you're done getting this over, you'll want to grab the embedded code and then head over to the client's website builder. So go ahead and click on Websites, Marketing Agency, and then we'll hit Edit on the home. So here we can add the form. All you're going to want to do is click on this right here. Then you're going to click down and click on the form that either you made or the form that the snapshot already made for you. You're just going to click that. As you can see, it pops up right there. And just hit Save. Now let's head to Automations and make sure the form is linked to an appropriate workflow. This ensures that whenever someone fills out the form, the information is captured and the client receives an automatic follow-up. Remember, different snapshots come with different workflows, so choose one that fits your client's needs. So just go ahead and click Automations. Click on Marketing Workflows. New Lead Nurture. And this is a workflow and is triggered by an offer when they click on the form they submitted. So you can go ahead and just click form. And then right here is where you're going to add the form that you created or either the Snapshot made for you. Just click that and click Save Trigger. Lastly, let's add a chat widget to the client's website. This widget allows for live chat with visitors, which can be a great way to engage leads. So we'll go to Sites and then click Chat Widget. So as you can see, I already have a chat widget right here. You just click on it. Let me just move myself. You will have it right here. You could change the style. You could customize it. But for now, let's just get the code, copy it. If you want to put it on your client's website, click Get It for WordPress. Once you click that, then you'll have to download Lead Connector. And then once you download Lead Connector, just go ahead and plug in the API key from GoHighLevel into the plugin settings. So now we're just going to go back, go to Websites, click on Marketing Agency, click on Settings, scroll down, and then you're going to see Chat Widget. For most of you, it'll say none, but you just click the down arrow, click the chat widget that you just created or the snapshot created for you, and click Save. So there you have it, a complete guide to onboarding a client with GoHighLevel, from setting up their account, creating logins, adding phone numbers, and installing snapshots, to integrating forms and chat widgets. We covered everything you need to get started. This process might seem lengthy, but once you get the hang of it, you can streamline it and make onboarding a breeze for your clients. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more GoHighLevel tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.